Daming kainan dito, guys. Barbecue. Ano? Sarap, guys. Noodles. Barbecue in Singapore.
Many Pacquiao haven't come here, you know.
Ayo, ano gusto nyo? Market here in Singapore.
Erwan Reyes.
Dito pa kami ngayon, guys, sa market sa Singapore. The best satay here in Singapore. Boy, sino mo yun? Harap na, guys. Ito po kami sa public market ng Singapore. Singapore market. Yun, daming pagkainan, guys. Dito kami sa market nila. We are here in the market.